Kheti Khana Aur Hum was a public engagement initiative of the Wellcome Trust DBT India Alliance and took place in Chandigarh. Its objective was to bring together different aspects of our food ecosystem to engage the public in a holistic conversation about the farm to plate continuum. The premise was to highlight the idea that the consumer must understand how their choices impact agricultural practices and policies, as well as the farmer. Use of traditional art forms for storytelling have been an integral part of Indian culture for generations. We use truck art, an appropriate art form given our topic, to engage local art students and stimulate conversation on this important social and development issue. The project took place over a course of 3 months, beginning with an art residency and ending with an art exhibition. The Community Health and Empowerment Project took place in Wayanad district of Kerala. This was a community resilience building initiative of the NGO Seeds, wherein we worked with the youth belonging to the Panya tribe in response to relief efforts post the devastating 2018 floods. Kerala has the best development indicators of any state in India, at par with many developed nations. Despite that, Wayanad lags behind. It is often referred to as the Bihar of Kerala. One factor in this is its tribal population. Over half of Kerala's tribal communities live in Wayanad. Despite concerted efforts by the government to engage them, they continue to live on the fringes of society. High rates of illiteracy, poor economic status, alcoholism plague the community. There is a mutual mistrust among the tribal and non tribal communities, which makes engagement challenging. In this scenario, gaining the trust of the youth was not going to be easy. We had to improvise. We used an approach known as photo voice, which has been used globally to empower marginalized communities. The transformation I observed in our youth over the course of 6 months was remarkable. The process of taking photos, discussing them with their peers, and presenting to the wider community helped them learn about each other, their community, its strengths and weaknesses, and build their motivation and self confidence. This was also the first time that the mainstream community got a glimpse of Panya life through Panya eyes.